you everyone for coming out tonight to support the postpartum Taylor Swift disorder.
I would like to perform the piece I wrote. I know this isn't standard protocol, but it's an emergency.
$3.
My piece is called
You change?
I got schooled this year by everyone, by my little brother, by the Avett brothers, by my mother, my best friend, my teacher, my father, and by a boy. A boy that I'm seriously, deeply, madly, incredibly, and undeniably in love with. I got so schooled this year by a 9-year-old. He taught me that it's okay to live life a little backward and how to laugh at what you think is unlaughable. I got schooled this year by a band. They taught me how to find that feeling of feeling again. They taught me how to decide what to be and go be it. I got schooled this year by a cancer patient. She taught me so much. She's still teaching me so much. She taught me to question, to never regret. She taught me to push my boundaries because that's what they're there for. She told me to find balance between head and heart, and then she taught me how. I got schooled this year by a foster kid. She taught me to respect the hand I was dealt and to be grateful I was even dealt a hand. She taught me that family doesn't have to be blood. Schooled this year by my teacher. He taught me that the points are not the point is poetry. I got schooled this year by my father. He taught me that heroes aren't always invincible and that the magic is within me. I got schooled this year by a boy. A boy that I am seriously, deeply, madly, incredibly, and undeniably in love with. And he taught me the most important thing of all, to put the emphasis on life.